Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the app lock functionality in the Honor 9X Pro device. And if you're watching first time this channel, friends, do subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also to check the links in description how you can install the Google Play Store services and other applications. So which I did a separate playlist, friends, so where you can find plenty of useful videos and even the battery and test as well. So PUBG battery and test, so which will be very interesting, friends, in terms of knowing how much battery life you get in this kind of mobile phones. And let's get started with the app lock functionality which is present in the Honor 9X Pro device. So to access that kind of app lock functionality, you need to go to the settings and go to the security, and in the security you can find the app lock, as you can see, friends. So first you need to enable that, and you can set the password as well. So let me select the 6-digit pin, and once you have selected the 6-digit pin, you do get the password for the security question what you want to choose. So once you have selected the password, then definitely it will ask you to use the fingerprint ID or not. I would recommend you to use the fingerprint ID, friends. So now the fingerprint is linked. So now you can turn on all the applications whatever you want to use the app lock functionality. Let me tap the settings and let's see whether you can get any extra features or not. So there is no more other extra options available. So let me try to add the fingerprint lock to the Epic App here. So which is another app market which is available right now, as you can see, friends. So right now it's working fine. So let me try to close and try to open. So will it ask for the password or not? As you can see, it's not even asking for the password for the second time. So maybe when I lock the phone and when I try to unlock, maybe it should ask for the, at that time, friends, it's not even asking. So let me try to close the phone and unlock it. So now it's asking for the password. So normally in the app locks there will be this kind of option, friends. You need to use the app lock every time you close the application, or you need to use this kind of app lock whenever you close the phone. So usually I'll prefer to use whenever I close the application, but in this phone by default it's set to the screen lock. So the application only this app lock activates only when the screen is locked. So once you unlock the application, this will be on continuously, friends. So this is what you need to notice. And for more videos, do subscribe to my channel, friends. I'll be doing in-depth reviews on dark mode and other functionalities, how you can use how you can restrict the internet access and other things. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.